start the video with the new Crystal Palace bar. There's a sign over there that says happy hour 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. 20% off in any drinks. It should say on any drinks, but yeah. I guess it's a part of this big building over here. So let's go take a look inside real quick. I just want to take a look inside. Are you gonna work here? Oh no. Everybody's filming inside. Everybody wants to get a new look.
When open? 언제?
I'm not sure. Sir,
Yes, sir.
when's the opening?
5 o'clock, sir.
I'm sorry?
5 o'clock.
Oh, 5 o'clock today.
From 5 p.m. to 2 a.m.
5 to 2 a.m. Okay, nice. And it looks like a pretty fancy style. You got the stage, fancy tables, and there's the upper floor. So there you go. That's the new Crystal Palace bar. Here's the current progress of the train that's gonna go through Astor Park. And here's the other side. So this, I guess, it's gonna run through over there where that vacant lot used to be. I think it was called Freelancer Park, I believe. Let's make our way towards the SM Mall. This is just a corner look. So this is the regular SIM card.
Yes.
And this is what you put in your phone, in your Philippines phone right here. And this is 150 pesos, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And do you need to bring your passport or ID to get this?
Just passport, sir, return ticket, and proof of address here in the Philippines.
Oh, so you need your passport to,
Yeah,
to
and
get
then for
this.
the registration.
What about ID?
What
It
kind
has
of
to be a
ID?
passport?
Just only the passport, sir.
What about the photo of the passport?
Sige, mag-email mo na.
Yeah, what about the
Photo of the passport, sir, much better, sir. Sir, but if you want, sir, you can also register this by yourself, sir. Just scan this one.
Oh, so you need a physical passport.
Yeah, basically, yeah.
Oh, okay. He's looking for a rice cooker.
Yeah, I think she's right.
You can cook vegetables in here. You can cook rice.
Think so?
Cook everything in here. Yeah. Sir Po, what is the best rice cooker out of these?
649. Ay, 749.
This one is the best right here. This one. And on the walking street now, doing a little daytime walk. Down the old walking street. loading a truck full of Red Bulls, Coke, San Miguel's. Going towards MacArthur right now. Gonna get a rotisserie chicken.
Hey, brother.
There's the famous Junior. He looks darker. It looks like he got a tan from being outside so much, maybe. So. Cookies.
어제 그 일행분들이시고 들어가십니다.
Bahadur ko na. Yung ba't di ka pa nasasabi?
A second. Hey, a second.
Oh.
I work in the hotel.
Oh, the hotel?
Yeah.
Warburgs. Yeah, he was trying to give me this Scorebirds card. Say 10% off. The rooms, okay, so the economy room, the cheapest room is 2.5. And the most expensive room, the loft suite, is 5.7. So those are the rates for the Scorebirds. The rotisserie chickens stuffed with lemongrass for 290 pesos. This is the Chaminade, but yeah, the chickens are 290 as well. This is the Chan. This is Big Joe's favorite place when he used to get lechon over here.